Boss Denver. Ayan. Mag-ano tayo? Membership gifting. Try ko lang ha. Try ko lang kung gagana. So, ayan. Gumana. Ang mahal. Ang mahal ng membership gifting. Oh, mayroon dyan. Ang pinakamaano is €299. 5 membership, €14.95. 10 membership, €29.90. Hanggang pataas. Tingnan natin kaya yung sobrang mahal. So, dito tayo sa 5 membership. 5 membership ni Denver PH. Grabe! Halos €15, €14.95. Click natin to. Click natin kung kagana. Okay, agree. Agree natin. Let's say. Okay. May balance pa tayo sa ating Google balance. So, pwede tayong bumili ng €14.95. Okay. Loading. Oh, di ba? Kita mo yan. May gifting tayo kay Boss Denver. Gifting. Ganun pala yung mangyayari. Hindi ko alam kung ganyan yung mangyayari. Bakit may mga Kima was give a membership by Heart Talk? Ah, okay. I don't know guys. Wait. First time ko ginawa to kay Boss Denver. Yung gift na to. 5 membership. Hindi ko alam. Ayan, boss. Gift for you.